Priyanka here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful smoky eye look. This look is super easy to create, so if you're interested, then let's begin. First, I'm going to take this nude brown kind of shade and then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it on the crease of my eyelids. Before the eyeshadow, you can see that I have already prepped my eyes and I have done my eyebrows. For prepping my eyes, I have used some concealer and then I have set it with some loose powder. I have also applied this shade little bit lower to my crease. Now I've taken some gel eyeliner. With the help of a brush, I'm applying it on my eyelids. I will be applying it all over my eyelid. You can see I have started it from my lash line and now I'm slowly building it up towards my crease. Instead using gel liner, you can also use some black eyeshadow or kohl in your eyes. While building it upwards, I will keep it a bit lower to my crease. Now I will take this shade from the palette and with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it on my crease and a bit lower. I will use this shade to properly blend the nude shade and the black base. Then I will take this black shimmery kind of shade and with the help of a brush, I'm going to apply it on my lid, the part where I have applied the black base. I'm using this shadow as to intensify the black base and also to have a shiny shimmery appearance to my lids. Again, I'm going to take the fluffy brush and this time I have taken no product on it and then I'm just trying to blend out the shades. Then I'm going to use some concealer underneath my eyes before applying any product on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. This step was also mandatory to do as because I have used the shimmery shade and there were a lot of fallouts from that. On an angle brush, I have taken some gel eyeliner and then I will be applying it on my lower lash line and waterline. This doesn't have to be perfect because we are creating a smoky eye look. And do not worry if you do not have a gel liner because you can always use a kohl, that is kajal, on your lower lash line. Then I'm again going to use this brown shade and then I will apply it on my lower lash line. Basically I'm doing this so as to smudge or smoke out my gel liner. Then I will apply mascara to my upper lashes and lower lashes. Then I'm going to use this shade as a highlighter and I will highlight my brow bones and inner corners with it. You can stop this look right here and no need to wear lashes, but I'm going to wear it, so quickly I'll just go off camera, wear them, come back and then show you the final look.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what?
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you loved this look, and if you did, then do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you love this look. And also comment down below what other eye looks you want me to create it for you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Fake to me now.